Hadin babun ki Jylla kari India, kilamat ya kejing bat kerdu, hakabai day berkal ring mynsiem ane ka oksigen, hadin kejing lan shop jungka klam COVID kerkandai, kababuru katanat ka kya, hapadeng kejing ka bakrau, bat kejing du ki mynsiem brew, Myntri Rangbah ka Jylla, hakas nginang kong, ulalai ban Jurip hi dalade, ya ka jaka pynmih tyndong ring mynsiem, jong kawe ka company, kablatip, kum ka Byrnihat Oxygen Private Limited, kabadon ha Byrnihat, kum kejing pen kre, ya kejing wanan shop, jong ka klam COVID kerkandai, bat wan, ban shalan cabar Jylla, lada don kam kerki. Hak te kejing Jurip, ladon rengkaru, da UMLA ka jirang, uba S sotun, ka kong RM kurba Deputy Commissioner, Kariboy District, berkiwi-kiwi officer.
Once it happens, then you see a free movement, then you can arms go in and out, So it's good, and it's. I mean, all the evidence we're getting is that it's working very well. That is the only way forward. Yeah, this is the Byrnihat Oxygen Private Limited. It's a company that is manufacturing and manufacturing oxygen, and therefore, as the COVID situation we're seeing in the country today. We are very fortunate that this particular manufacturing unit is in our state, and our objective is really to make sure that if the need arises and if there is a situation in the future where other states are facing, we should be better prepared. And the idea is to coordinate with the management out here for any kind of supply that's required in case, as I said, the situation arises. Hopefully, we will not have to face a situation like that, which we're seeing in the rest of the country, but one cannot say. So we need to be prepared from all fronts. So I've come here to visit the manufacturing unit to make sure that there are no difficulties, challenges they're facing. Also to ensure that there's a coordination between the management here and our health department and our district administration for any kind of logistical support and also for future logistical supply to different parts of the state if necessary. So that was the objective, the purpose of our visit. I'm very happy to see the setup here and very happy to see the management. They are very much committed and they have given us an assurance that the state and the health will be given priority in any circumstance.